Rocky is a crane, a very big crane. Rocky is also very strong. Harvey is a crane too, but he's much smaller. Harvey isn't as strong as Rocky, but they're both really useful. There has been a rockfall. The track is blocked. Lots of small rocks have fallen on this line. Rocky can easily lift these small rocks, but he needs an engine to pull him along. Henry is very busy, and he has lots of other jobs to do. So he has no time to work with Rocky. Here's Harvey. He isn't as strong as Rocky, but Harvey doesn't need another engine to pull him. So he is just right for this job. A very big boulder has fallen on this line. And Harvey is too small to move this big rock. So Harvey fetches Rocky. Rocky is big enough to move it. Rocky and Harvey are very different sizes, but they each did the job that was right for them. Well done, both of you.